Assalamualaikum and hi, very good afternoon. Thank you for being here with us at Bernama Mobile Studio. We are here in Langkawi International Convention Center in Kedah, and we are here for the 18th ASEAN Ministerial Meeting on Environment, or AMME-18. And together here with us, we have Mr. Haidar Khan Mokbolhassan, which is the Director of Pengarah Institut Biodiversiti. Hello, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
Thank you for being here with us. Thank you for your time.
Inviting.
To begin, could you please briefly explain the role of Pengarah in Malaysia environmental and wildlife conservation effort?
Okay, Pengarah is actually a government agency, 100% a federal government agency. And we are first and foremost a conservation agency. We are managing and conserving wildlife and its habitat. So our main functions are to enforce our Act, Wildlife Conservation Act. We do conservation programs, we do educational and awareness programs, we do research, we do corporate social responsibility. We have corporate functions as well, and also we are also managing our protected areas. This is one of the most important part of it, whereby you have benefits. These protected areas should be safeguarded. Why? Because they are important for the benefits of ecological functions, research, economic benefits, as well as socio-economic benefits, as well as recreational benefits.
So when we talk about elephants or tigers or of the endangered species, this is not the only thing Pengarah do actually.
Yeah, of course, when you talk about wildlife, people tend to oversee the small mammals, also the birds and amphibians, reptiles. People always look at a bigger picture, which is the big mammals. They tend to, when you talk about wildlife, people usually talk about big mammals. So that is why most Malaysians, they have this romanticism with big mammals such as elephant, Asian elephants, and Malayan tiger.
So which is there is many other
there are
wildlife.
many types of wildlife. There are many class, many families, and we are looking at the amphibians, the birds, and we are looking at reptiles. We are also looking at the insects, and also mammals. Mammals, when you talk about mammals, you have small mammals, you have big mammals, you have medium-sized mammals.
And Mr. Haidar, we are now in the midst of the 18th ASEAN Ministerial Meeting on the environment here in Langkawi. From Pengarah's perspective, why is this meeting important to Malaysia and the region?
Why is it important? Because the meeting itself, the title itself is talking about the environment. Biodiversity is part of it actually. So and we are this year we are the chairman. We are holding the chairmanship of ASEAN. So that is why it's important, because it's actually relevant to all the countries in Asia. Because when you talk about ASEAN, ASEAN is, I think, one of the key or mega diverse countries in terms of biological diversity. We are a big brother, so to speak. And I hope that personally also, and also the department and everyone in Malaysia, everyone in ASEAN, in fact, I think ASEAN people we hope that everyone gets the benefit out of it.
And when we talk about ASEAN, we can mainly call the lungs of the world actually. So which is saying that we have a bigger space of jungle that which is provide the world with oxygens and stuff. But we're going to talk about wildlife. In Southeast Asia itself, wildlife trafficking and habitat loss are still pressing the issues in Southeast Asia. But can we talk about these issues only in Malaysia?
Well, I'll talk about Peninsular Malaysia specifically, because our department is managing wildlife in Peninsular Malaysia and Federal Territory of Labuan. So when you talk about Peninsular Malaysia, some of the pressing issues are our habitats are getting smaller. The wildlife habitat is getting smaller when you talk about all the natural areas. And also some of the issues are like lack of food resources for the wildlife itself, because the habitat is shrinking.
So
when you
it's
talk about
affecting the food.
they are looking for food, and also foraging for food also, and they are looking at their mating. It's difficult for them to mate, difficult for them to find their food, and also it's difficult for them to connect to another habitat.
Okay.
They have their, let's say you have a natural area called A, and then for them to get to the next habitat on the next natural area,
It is destroyed, cut in the middle.
probably it's cut in the middle.
Mhm.
So it's shrinking. So
Okay.
it's making them, it's difficult for them to cross over to the next habitat or the next place for them to find their mating partners or also to find their food.
So it is very crucial for us, human being in Malaysia and Perhilitan itself, to
Yep.
make sure it is continuously sustained.
Sustain. Why? Because wildlife give us. You need wildlife for
Mhm.
for the trees to pollinate,
Okay.
pollination. You need the wildlife to clear all the leaves in the forest.
Mhm.
You need the wildlife for food, as
Okay.
food. Some of them can be food,
Mhm.
and they can give us economic benefits.
As well. Okay.
And also, from the human level, humanity level,
Mhm.
it is for us to actually. If you look at what Mahatma Gandhi said,
Mhm.
how you evaluate a country, success of a country, is how you manage your animals or wildlife in this context.
Okay.
So, when you talk about wildlife, then benefits, they give us more benefit than what we give them.
Okay.
So it's why we should safeguard the wildlife, because they are giving us so many benefits for mankind, actually, for mankind, and also for the environment. We talk about AMME, talk about environment, because they give benefits to the environment itself.
See and unseen.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Mr. Haidar Khan Mokbolhassan, which is the director of Pengarah Institut Biodiversiti. Sir, public participation is crucial.
Yep.
I mean, you, me, and the others. How is Perhilitan working with local communities to strengthen conservation awareness?
We have a program under the OBK, Operasi Bersepadu Hazanah. We have the under the BP3 actually, Biodiversity Patrol, Biodiversity Protection and Patrol Program, BP3. You have two major part of it. Number one is BPK, OBK, Operasi Bersepadu Hazanah. Number two is the ranger community.
Okay.
And these people are from the army vets. Some of them are from the police vets, and some of them are, most of them actually, majority of it is from the local community.
Okay.
The orang asli
The
or orang asal.
Aborigines,
Yeah,
orang asal, okay.
we help them to get their work actually. They can become ranger community. So we are helping the local communities.
That's in part of the operation. But how about us? For us to get to be more aware about how we can conserve the forest. Is there any museum or whatever it is?
We have a program actually, which is called SEPA, Communication, Education and Public Awareness. So under SEPA, you have exhibitions. So we are having our exhibition today itself. And also we are conducting programs with schools, universities. Recently we had a program whereby we had a exhibition. We did our exhibition at the RNR.
Okay.
Yeah, JRTB, Jalan Raya Timur Barat. So it is very good. And also for the public to participate, we welcome so much. They can engage in our programs, and also we also have our collection of specimens in Lanchang, based in Lanchang.
In Pahang?
Yeah, people can, but it's not really open to the public itself. We have to write in because this is a specific place for it. It's not really a natural history museum, but it's a collection of specimens. And this is actually mainly for catering our researchers and our wildlife experts.
Okay.
As a source of their.
Sir, I'm a pet lover, which is I love exotic wildlife, like parrots, a lot of exotic life pets. Is this endangering them as a species?
To specifically say that it endangers wildlife, there are pros and cons about it.
Okay.
But I'm going for the win-win situation whereby our department is issuing license and permits.
Okay.
So for us to say it's not allowed, it's against the law because the law itself allows it.
Okay, but you need to go get a permit.
Yeah, you need to get permit, and the source. That's the main issue actually. The source.
So there is a lot of smugglers.
You have pet shops selling it, but actually we are asking the public to check whether the pet shops selling it are they allowed to do it. Do they have the license? They need two licenses actually.
Okay.
One is from us, One is from the PBT.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Okay,
local
that's something
council.
new.
Because the premise itself is licensed by the PBT,
Okay.
the local councils. We are only issuing a license to sell or engage in trade in wildlife.
So if it is you want to go and buy
Make
exotic
sure-
pets from
yeah.
online shops, no.
Online, I don't think they have a premise. And
Okay.
their source can be questionable also.
Okay, I got it.
We must make sure the source is 100% alright.
We have to be a very responsible pet owner. then.
Responsible, and also some people, once they don't like the animal or wildlife, they release it back in the wild.
Yeah.
That's why you have certain, I'm not saying wildlife,
Mhm.
certain animals are released.
Now, I interviewed one of the pesatuan earlier regarding ikan bandaraya.
Oh yeah.
So we kept them to clean up the aquarium and stuff, but it turned out to be that they are predators. They are really affecting the local fish and stuff. So we have to be really careful. Okay, looking ahead, sir, what are Perhilitan's main priorities for the next 5 to 10 years, ensuring wildlife and environmental sustainability?
We are looking at the technology itself,
Okay.
number one, and we are securing the habitats. We are trying to connect them. We work together. The federal government is working together with the state governments
Okay.
under the spearheaded by the ministry itself, Ministry
Okay.
of Natural Resources and Environmental Sustainability.
Okay.
So the Malaysian government is actually working with NGOs also. They are working with the NGOs, and we have lots of NGOs helping us. Everyone is actually participating to help safeguard the wildlife and its habitat. When I talk about wildlife, you have to talk about their habitat.
Correct.
And also we are looking at the AI part of it, artificial intelligence, and you cannot depend too much. And we are going for cashless payment for our national parks as well.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
For Penang National Park also, we are looking at how to encourage people to become more involved in our conservation efforts and
Great.
programs.
On a final note, sir, what inspire you and your colleagues to keep on fighting for wildlife and nature conservation?
It's our passion actually. It's our passion.
Patience.
Yeah,
Okay.
passion.
The love.
Passion and patience.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to have the patience.
Correct.
You can have passion, but how long can
To
you
be
be
patient.
passionate about it?
Correct.
You see that habitats are dwindling. See the wildlife are being involved in rock kill. Sooner or later, I think probably some people are demotivated about it, but we thinking that we have this thinking whereby we need to save our wildlife.
Okay.
It's our job, and also it's our responsibility as a Malaysian and also as a human.
Okay. Thank you, sir. It is a
Yeah.
good talk.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you to Mr. Haidar Khan Mokbolhassan, the Director of Perhilitan Institute of Biodiversity, for your time being here with
Yeah,
us.
right, thank you.
We're going to come back in a short while. Please do stick here with us at Bernama Mobile Studio. We're going to come back only happening here at AMME-18 at LICC Langkawi Kedah. See you again.